Hi guys, so it's me, Gordon from GDUBTV, and today we are going on a little road trip. Let's do it. This is a new van and I'm going through the Dartford Tunnel, and so that is going to mean that I need to register this bad boy, otherwise I am going to get a hefty old fine in a couple of days. So today we are with Mr. SpyderLee.
Are you alright?
So what are we up to today, mate?
I'm going to get some new seats fitted.
Fantastic. Where are you getting those done?
CaptainSeats.
Hey, we're going to go and see George.
Saw Gordon's and I had to get some. They look great.
So we've come on a little road trip and with Lee. This is the first time I've actually had a chance to see Lee's van. We'll check that out in a minute. We've just been on the road since about 6 o'clock this morning.
Yeah.
So we're just going to go and get some breakfast first. So here we are back in the workshop of CaptainSeats. You can see behind me hundreds of seats and beds, all in lots of different colours and trims for all sorts of vehicles like Mercedes and VW and others beside. We'll have a little look around the workshop. Let's just walk round. Where are we going? Okay, check this out. Look at all these seats behind me. It's like a never-ending Aladdin's cave. Whoa, nearly tripped over. Couldn't plan it. A never-ending Aladdin's cave of seats and beds. So guys, check this out. Just down there, SpyderLee's filming George. Should we check it out? Hi guys, here we are at CaptainSeats. What I wanted to do is be super upfront with you. So I'm on a road trip today, and so I've come to CaptainSeats with SpyderLee while he gets his seats retrimmed. While I'm up here, I'm actually going to be talking to George about what he can do in the T6 project. George has basically had so much business as a result of the last set of videos that I did that he's kindly offered to do some of the work on the van for me for free. Yeah! So firstly, guys, I am so thankful to you guys just for all the views and the likes and the subscriptions. Firstly, I just want to let you know that I'm not trying to sell anything to you. The reason I'm at CaptainSeats is because I completely believe in their product. Hopefully you've got to know me by now with the channel. If you're a new subscriber, then hopefully you'll figure that out. Check out season 1 and you'll get an idea. And after I've left here, I'm going to go up to OzTops. So I'm in Leicester at the moment. OzTops are up kind of in sort of Leeds, to the east of Leeds. I'm going to look at the pop top roof, and so I'm going to go up there and choose the colours for that, look at the bed, look at the scenic canvas, and we're going to get that all booked in, hopefully for November, maybe December. And then after that, I'm going to go over to my friends at Northern Roads Campervan Conversions. Look, oh, there's some big boys talking business here. Look, here's SpyderLee, George of CaptainSeats fame. Hello mate, you're right. Now George has got some special little coats that he's got out the front. Check these out. These are George's new jackets that he's got. You can choose them in any colour you want and any stitching. These are actually made from Napa leather, which is super luxurious leather, and on the back, look, you can have your name printed or logo. So George has got lots of different examples here. There's a CaptainSeat waist jacket. He's got all sorts of VW ones, mostly all VW ones. There's a blue one. You can see on the back all different types of stitching. Look at that, Volkswagen. And here's George trying out his new range of leather jackets. check that out, man about town. Very smart, George. You can contact the team here at CaptainSeats if you're interested in these jackets. You can have any stitching, any logo you want, any colour. I think they retail for around about £350, but George is still just figuring that out. So contact the team here and they'll be able to give you some information on that. So while I'm here at CaptainSeats, one of the things I'm doing is just checking out all the different options that they've got, just trying to figure out what it is I'd like in this new T6 project. You can see behind me there's lots and lots of different options. I'm not too sure. I think we're going to try and go for some sort of nice nappa leather, maybe with some sort of suede or alcantara next to it. I'm going to go and have a little chat with George and the team, and we're going to have a little look at some different fabrics. And then at some point in the future, hopefully in the next couple of months, we'll pop back up here and we're going to go and get everything fitted. So very, very exciting. Okay, so I'm in the office of CaptainSeats. You can see just behind me, actually, they've got some really, really cool chairs. I just thought I'd show you them, just so it gives you an idea of some of the stuff that they actually do here. They're not just doing van seats and beds, but actually they can retrim everything and anything. They've retrimmed boats, bikes, lorries, all sorts of things. Household seats like their office furniture. Okay, so George has just pointed out to me they're selling these amazing foam mattress toppers. They're 50mm thick, got really luxurious kind of suede cover to it. They're really, really nice memory foam, so super, super comfortable. So I've just asked George if he'll just show what it looks like actually going on a bed that's laid down. So there's one just next to us.
So you can keep it behind the seat, or when you have to use, just opening.
So this is 50mm thick. It's really, really nice and luxurious. It's got a lovely, lovely soft touch to it. And as George has just demonstrated, it literally pops on in a moment. And then actually what you can do, if George just shows us on the other one, is actually it just stows around the back of the seat, or actually you can slide it underneath the bed. So your doors literally just close up behind that. Great place to keep it. These are priced at £180, including the VAT. Great addition for your captain seat bed. Lee is getting his new seats fitted in his T5 project. Super, super excited for him. I've had a little gander at what they are, but we'll do a little reveal for you guys in a minute. I won't do any filming of these guys. You've seen them in action before. But yeah, super quick. They'll probably get these in and out within about 20 minutes, half hour. Beautiful. So I'm in another one of George's workshops, and you can see behind me all of the bed frames. There's two-seater rock and roll beds, three-seater rock and roll beds. There's MOT compliant rock and roll beds. There's M1 crash pool tested rock and roll beds. There's all sorts of rock and roll beds. More rock and roll beds than you can shake your GoPro at. There you go. I'm wrapping up at CaptainSeats now. It's been great to visit George, but you can see Lee's wonderful transporter behind me, and we're just going to have a quick look at what he's had done. Lee, Mr. SpyderLee.
All right. I'm just checking out my new seats. They're awesome.
Well, I'm going to get behind the camera. We'll have a little look at what he's had done.
Yeah, I'm just up with Gordon. We've just been to CaptainSeats to see George, and I'm just having my new seats fitted, which are really impressive, actually. Yeah, these are nice and comfy. These are. I'm really impressed. Nice and squidgy. I've gone for the half leather on these with the fox suede, just because I wanted it to be a bit nicer, a nicer feel rather than a sweaty full leather, to be honest. But I've kept all the colours neutral because I might change the colour of the van, as more than likely with my track record. So we've gone for a neutral look with the colours, just in case I do. And a nice VW logo as well, just in case I forget what van I'm driving.
Okay, so we've just checked out Lee's van. Lee is going to go and head off back to Ken. I'm off to go and visit the guys up at OzTops. So see you later, SpyderLee. See you later, George. See you in another video. We'll do a proper van tour on Lee's van maybe next week or something like that, so keep an eye out for that. So I know we've just seen a little snippet of it. Right, we're going to jump back in the van and we're going to head off up to Austops. Let's do it. Hi guys, so I'm now at OzTops. In there is the OzTops workshop. I've just been in there and I've spoken with Max. I do apologise if this is a bit windy. I've just spoken with Max, who's one of the owners at OzTops. We just sorted out the roof. It's going to look amazing. I'm going to go for a pop top roof that is in the original colour, so candy white. And then what we're going to do, if you look at this one just behind me, I don't know if you can see that canvas that it's got. It's actually got amazing print on it, and so on my one I'm going to have GDUBTV printed out the side of it. It's going to be in blackout blue, Caribbean blue actually, so really looking forward to that. We've got it booked in. It's going to be in about 2 months time, beginning of November, so I'm really excited about that. Now it's just gone 4:26 and I need to rush over to Northern Roads Campervan Conversions, who aren't far from here. So guys, I've got to be quick and I've got to dash. Let's go. So I have arrived at Northern Roads Campervan Conversions. I'm just going to go and pop into their unit. Let's have a little look. Now you might remember, if you've seen my other video, that these guys were just about to move into this workshop when we last came, probably about 18 months, 2 years ago now. And actually when I'm going to get my new units off of these guys, they're going to be in a new workshop. So it's going to be amazing to see just kind of how much they've grown in the last couple of years, and kind of what the next steps are going to be after this one, when we come to get the units fitted. Let's have a little look. So if you look in here, look at this, check this out. There are hundreds and hundreds of units. They've got a CNC cutting machine, which is amazing. And then in here, like, you can just see unit after unit after unit after unit. They do their own pressing of the laminate, so you can basically have any sort of colour that you want. There's no limitations on that, so that's super cool. Yeah, whatever you want, they can basically do it. They do tambour doors. They've got all nice little push clip hinges, all sorts of things, buttons and locks. And is the guys here? There's Kev there. Say hello. Right. Who are you? Yeah, check this out. Isn't it amazing? I'm now going to talk shop with these guys as we start looking at some colours for the new van. I'm super excited about that, and we'll maybe cut to a little bit of B-roll. Let's go. Just here outside KFC, and you'll never guess what I've just seen. Check out this bad boy, it's beautiful. So what we're going to do, I'm not going to do too much chatting, we're just going to have a little look around it and take some B-roll. Let's do it. That's the end of today's trip. It's been amazing. I've got loads of bits and pieces sorted. I've seen George at CaptainSeats, amazing. Got to see Max at OzTops, equally amazing. And got to see the guys at Northern Roads, and guess what? That was amazing. Plus the little Ferrari at the end, which I was quite pleased with. Please do like this video, it really does make a massive difference. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, please do subscribe. I'm hoping to get all these bits and pieces fitted in the van by November. Guys, it's been an absolute pleasure. I'll see you in the next video.